Now children, our next topic is Earth. Hope up to there you understood that the rotation and the revolution of the Earth and how it is forming the day and night, and how it is forming the different seasons we are having just because of the revolution, and day and night just because of the rotation. Now let us know about the Earth, where we live. The Earth is the fifth largest planet. It is a sphere which is slightly flattened at the pole, that is north and south pole, somewhat like a sphere, slightly flattened, not totally spherical. It is somewhat like oval shape. The Earth is a unique planet because it is the only planet which life exists. This is the only planet where feature of life exists. Feature of life means water, the oxygen, and the temperature. These are all the things. Let us see what are the features of the Earth. Moderate temperature, neither too low nor too high. So we have the moderate temperature. The amount of heat a planet receives from the sun depends on its distance from the sun. Understood? The average temperature, the Earth is the third planet from the sun. It has an average temperature of 22 degrees Celsius. Water in the liquid form is also a feature. The Earth is only planet on which water is available in liquid form. On some other planet, water is present in frozen form. That's why the scientists are searching for the water on Mars and other planets. But on Earth, it is in the form of liquid. Favorable atmosphere we have. The Earth is surrounded by layers of gases. This layer of gases is called atmosphere. Planet and animal make the amount of gases equal on Earth. Plants and animals, plant releases oxygen and animals releases, and a human being releases carbon dioxide. So it is making the amount of gases equal on the Earth. Satellite. What are the satellite? Satellite are or moon are small celestial bodies move around the planets. As you see in the night about the moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. Or as the planets revolve around the sun, the satellite also move or revolve around the sun. Amazing. See children, as the Earth is revolving around the sun, similarly the moon is revolving around the Earth. So everything is moving, and the sun is also rotating on its axis. It is moving. Like planet, satellite also shine by reflecting the light from sun. All the planets have satellite except Mercury and Venus. Every this planet, they have their own satellite except these two planets. So children, in exam it may come that like 1 mark question or MCQ question, that which planets they don't have the satellite. So it is Mercury and Venus. See about the moon, the natural satellite of the Earth, the only satellite of the Earth. Moon is the satellite of our planet Earth. The moon looks so large because it is closer to us. The moon looks so large because it is closer to us than any other celestial body. The moon revolves around the Earth in 27 days and 8 hours. During this period, it also rotate or spin. This means that its period of rotation and evolution are same. The sun always light up one side of moon. It is not here. Moon. The moon have 11 phases. During the daytime, the temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. At the night time, the temperature is minus 150 degrees Celsius. The moon does not have water atmosphere, so there is no life on moon. An object designed to revolve around the Earth or any other heavenly object or body is called artificial satellite. Moon is the natural satellite, and other which are designed by the man is known as artificial satellite. Satellites are carried by rockets to space. Satellites are used for relay the TV, weather forecasting, telephone signals, we are calling to each other by phone, we are sending messages. These are happening due to because of the satellite. These are what? The artificial satellite. Now let us know about the dwarf planet. Dwarf planet is a spherical celestial body that orbits the sun. It is much smaller than a planet. That's why Pluto came under the category of dwarf planet. Unlike a planet, a dwarf planet has other sub-orbiting bodies near it. Sub-orbiting bodies. There are 5 dwarf planets that has been discovered through the Asteroids, Meteorites, Moni, Eris, and Pluto. These are what? These are the dwarf planet. Thousands of small celestial bodies revolve around the sun between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. These are what? These are asteroids. These are called asteroids. Many astronomers believe that asteroids are a fragment of planet that exploded long time ago. Fragment of planet, that means the part of planets. Just because of explosion, the planets from the planet, some parts fragmented, and it formed what? Asteroids. Small pieces of rock, dust revolve around the sun. These are called meteorites. Difference between asteroids and meteorites. When these meteorites enter in the Earth's atmosphere, they start burning. Why it burns? Because of the Earth's temperature and the layer of gases over the Earth. The pieces which are left after burning is called meteor. The last is the comet. Comets are among the most beautiful sights in the solar system. They revolve around the sun. As they move closer to sun, they start glowing. They revolve in elliptical or order. That's why this shines. The comet formed by the Halley comet. It was named after the English astronomer Edmund Halley. It completes a revolution around the sun in 76 years. So the comet, they start shining, they start glowing when they move around the sun. So the children, the conclusion is, our universe is a wonderful place. We know very little about its distant members. Each year scientists discover a new fact about the universe which help us understand it better. So this is the chapter, so this Earth and the solar system. We will do the question and answer afterward. Just make notes of it and learn it. Thank you so much.